Patients in need is actually today's need of the time in India, when the cost of the treatment is going up day by day, and the the healthcare is actually becoming very unaffordable. If you look at the cost of the hospitalization in the private sector in the metros, it has just doubled in the last 3 years. Even simple procedures like angioplasty, bypass surgery, to even the gallbladder laparoscopic surgery, all the costs have doubled, uh, putting the patients in a dock wherein the patient, mostly coming from the smaller towns, from the villages, they get into a very trauma like situation. One, when their patient is admitted, and the family members, they don't know about the cost, and it keeps adding on, because of some complications, some infection in the hospital. Their families are not able to cover the patient cost. Even the basic things, when they have to select for the procedures, then also they face this problem, that which hospital to go to, which hospital is good, where they will get a better costing. Because today only 6 to 10% of the people in the country are covered under health insurance, which is very small number. What about the other 80 to 90% in the spread over, wherein they have to pay from their pocket? Nobody plans for their healthcare budget, so it becomes very difficult to shell out such money. So, and then there is another section, about 70% of the population, which is below, which is the bottom of the pyramid. And in this 70%, there is about 50% of the population which is actually near to or below the poverty line. They are the people who don't have anything to take care of or to spend when their kid is detected with a congenital heart disease, when they are detected with any sort of abnormality or any such disease in future, whether it is the cancer, or it is the heart diseases, or it is a neurotumor, or it is a stomach ailment, or it is a bone problem. In most of the cases, the cost of the treatment, the benchmark where it starts is above 1 lakh, up to 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, and it can go up to high level. Now, for these poor people, there are two factors: the affordability as well as accessibility. Accessibility from the point of view of that they are government hospitals, but most of the hospitals are ill-equipped. There are doctors not available, and if they are available, then there is a huge waiting list. So, for such patients where they have been detected cancer, or detected to get an angioplasty or a bypass surgery done, they cannot wait for long. So, what is the option? Then they have to look towards the private sector. When they are looking towards the private sector, the starting point is 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs to even enter the hospital and get a treatment done. So in that scenario, the patient becomes a very poor guy, much poorer than his actual status when he becomes a patient. Therefore, this whole concept of patient in need. Now, patient in need is something which becomes an online forum, which becomes a support group for all such patients who are in need in terms of accessibility, in terms of affordability, and even in terms of the choice which they want to make to go to the right doctor. There is a confusion in terms of where to go, how to go, who's the right doctor, who is the bad doctor, who is the good doctor, which is a good hospital, which is a caring hospital, which falls into their affordability quotient. So all these considered, this confusion can be removed by a platform like patientsinneed.com, wherein it's an online platform supported by a very extensive, very experienced offline network, wherein there is a regular, like for example, in every city, like in a city like Delhi, there are about 50 hospitals who have got land free of cost or a subsidized rate from the hospitals, and they have an obligation to provide a certain percentage of free treatment, say 10%, 15%, 20% of the free beds and free treatment to the poor patients. Now there is an information gap. The poor patients who actually need it, they don't know about it. There is no information available that a hospital like Apollo Hospital or a Medanta Hospital or even Fortis Escort or even any such hospital, what percentage of free beds are available there, and they can, and the other hand the patients also don't know which hospitals have got free beds. So there is a research done, there is an extensive data mining done, and such information is uploaded on patients in need platform, wherein they becomes a bridge between the poor patients and the hospitals who are obliged to provide that free treatment, and then they can avail that. Then there can be a support group, a youth support group. They are donors. The philanthropy is growing in India like anything. People are getting more aware to do philanthropy. Why not such philanthropy people, instead of donating clothes and other things in kind or giving a donation to Prime Minister Relief Fund, why can't they put some corpus or donate some money for such patients in need? There's a poor guy, there's a child, there is a mother who is dying because of deprivation of such treatment, which is available there, but they cannot afford or they cannot buy the treatment. So there this sort of corpus is created to support such patients who are actually in need, the below the poverty line. So this way we are actually filling the gap wherein neither the government nor the private nor anybody individually is coming forward to help these patients in need. They are the people who are just struggling to get the right kind of treatment, something which is already available there, something which can be taken, which probably at times they are not able to afford, or because of lack of information they are not able to reach the right place. For them it becomes a platform, a bridge, and this creates a corpus of say about hundreds, then thousands and lakhs of patients coming for information, for knowing the facts, knowing about the free treatment, how to access the government hospital, how to go, which hospital in the private sector can give free or subsidized treatment, who's the right doctor, where the pricing is good for them, for their middle class hospital, lower middle class hospitals, but doctors who are doing affordable treatment in villages, in small cities. So they have that access and information to reach to them. This creates a group of thousands and lakhs and crores of such patients. Then we can also get into, and we will get into, some sort of a patient support fund in the form of a donation what we get, as well as in form of even a something like a scheme wherein there is a loan scheme, or there is. So patients in need would also like to start some financial scheme to help such patients, wherein there is a zero interest or very minimal interest which is given to as a loan to a needy patients against some sort of guarantee. And there, because in this case in India, in a country like India, patients who are coming from villages, from small towns, you come to know about the news, they are selling their property, they are selling their jewelry, and they are doing it in panic to pay to the the healthcare service provider. When they are doing in panic, they are into great loss. They would sell a jewelry at any minimal cost, where whatever they get the value, and there will be a huge loss. They'll sell a property, and in panic if you sell a property there is a huge loss. So to prevent them from doing this, so that they don't suffer, at one end there is a big disease which is bothering them and the whole family, there's a trauma in the family, on the other end the whole financial burden, financial trauma adds up. So patients in need would like to take care of this part, where some very systematic affordable financing is organized for them, which they can avail and get their treatment done at the lowest possible cost. And this way overall they create a corpus of thousands and lakhs and crores of such people using this platform, which can again have a back-end tie-up with insurance providers, health insurance providers, because these are the health insurance providers who want to cover such patients, and at a minimal premium they want to cover. So this becomes a very good access platform for all the health insurance providers to approach and talk to these people who are patients and their families who have been in need. Because if there is a patient who has suffered cancer, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs is spent from the pocket of the family members. They understand the trauma of not having got the health insurance done. So they are the primary buyers, or they are the buyers who are sitting on the edge for health insurance. So over a period of time, it can also become a sort of a buying selling platform for health insurance, and help in covering maximum population of the country much faster get covered by health insurance overall. And it becomes a very good platform where you have thousands, lakhs, and crores of people coming to educate them for preventive health. That okay, why the disease is causing such a trauma to you? So why don't you prevent it? So one has got a disease in the family, other guys start preventing. Like for example, a case of a chronic disease which has happened due to diabetes. So one patient is there diabetic in the family. It means that the risk of diabetes to all other family members goes up by 100 to 200%. So they should be in the preventive mode. They should take more precautions to not get diabetes and other complications thereon. So there are simple things which will make this platform very attractive. It will make it very useful. It will make it a two-way communication. It will bring in a lot of benefits to all the people, and overall it will provide a great sigh of relief, a great service to the society as a whole, where the unaffording population in healthcare is more than 70%. Only few of them are health insurance covered, and all those who are not covered in their health insurance very clearly fall into, except the rich ones who have got enough money to pay any point of time. All other population, they fall into the category where they need such a service, and patients in need is the right kind of service for them at this point of time in India.